What is the difference between ordinary cables? And you know what? Custom cables are used for a variety of purposes, such as pH sensing cables that monitor pipeline leaks, or buried induction cables used in the security field. The center of the cable is the wire, and in the center of it is this bare copper. Pencil machine. You start by wrapping it in an insulating plastic sleeve. Let it flow through cold water. It's to cool the plastic. This machine is called a spark detector. The machine runs electricity through wires to check the insulation for defects. If the insulation is cracked, the machine will immediately sound the alarm. No problem, the wires will be wound. Not only red insulation can be made in various colors. Next, these wires will be on the receiver, together with other fillers, wrapped into a thick cable. Bag placement machine bandages thick cables. This will wrap it tighter. Won't spread out easily. Here's another way of doing cables. The same colorful wires. This time we're going to put them through the back of the positioning plate, 2x2 intertwine. Then stir the 3 sets of cables together again. Cover the outside with a layer of insulating paper. Wrap them in plastic. And this shape of cable is just fine. The thing that insulates cables is not just paper. Coat the surface of the cable with this talc. It also acts as insulation to reduce electromagnetic interference. The surface of some cables is also covered with a layer of braid. These spools are made of tinned copper wire, and weave them together. It can be made into a soft protective layer. Reduce interference from external signals by wrapping a few chickens in insulation. Put another layer of plastic on it. This custom cable is ready. Connect the connector. They come in handy immediately. Then custom cables and regular cables. What's the difference? Here's the difference. Customized cables will be customized according to the specific application, carry out special design and optimization. It is used in special environments and equipment. Personalized customization functions can be realized. Okay, that's it for this video. Pay attention to the actual manufacturing road. Well informed, you are the coolest.